Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about voice agents. Voice agents are these days, and I'm speaking now July 2026, of high quality. They have low latency, they can make tool calls to all kinds of tools, your software, your ERP system, your bookkeeping, etc. Well, today I'm going to show you how a voice agent can be created using ElevenLabs. Step 2, I'm going to select a nice voice for it. Step 3, I'm going to make a prompt with Grok 4, and then we're going to make a prompt for a real estate broker. Then we're going to set up a knowledge base so you can ask all the right questions for a real estate broker. And then as last, I'm going to show you the demo of the voice agent we just created. So here we are at ElevenLabs. If you see this ElevenLabs, I don't know where you are, but you have to have an account. So first, if you don't have this like me, then you just can go to ElevenLabs.io. Here you can sign up. Okay, I already have an account, but you can choose your email and password. And then when you do that, you can choose one of these prices. So one, you can build a free one, 10 credits a month. So it's only to make you have a taste. Then we have starter, creator and pro. So if you try it for first, I will suggest the free one. But later on, if you are really good at it, you can try to get the starter or the creator one. Now, if you have an account, you log on, and then you can see this screen, and then we're going here to ElevenLabs agents. When we're here, we create a voice agent. We do that by clicking here on the plus button. We can click on browse templates, and then you can see all kinds of voice agents you maybe would like to build. I don't know if there is one, but let's say a real estate. Okay, let's here already we have a real estate voice agent, but in this case I want to create one from scratch. So we create a blank template. Well, test. Let's say test real estate. Okay, so. And now we can create agents. Now that will take us a few seconds. Now we have a real agent already. So now we have this agent, and the first thing we have to do is create a prompt. So I can already do this. You're a helpful assistant. And then we can call the voice agent, but let's do it good the first way. So let's go to Grok. I want to create a prompt for a voice agent for ElevenLabs. This voice agent is a real estate broker, and I want to create the prompt as specific as possible so this voice agent can ask answer every possible answer that a real estate broker should know for a customer. So, well, let's do this. Let's hit create and wait a few seconds. So now it's done. I have a whole script here, so let me just copy the copy item, of course. Let me copy the script. I get into ElevenLabs and I just paste the scripts. Well, here we have the script, and you'll see it's a bunch. At first, it says how the script will react as a real estate broker. I must say this part is not necessary, so we remove this one. System prompt, This is also not necessary, so we remove this one. Yeah, so this would be nice. This prompt covered, yeah, tips moving ElevenLabs. So yeah, this can also be removed. Okay, well now we have a nice prompt. Okay, so now the prompt is ready. And what we see here is Amsterdam. Well, let's this is okay for now, but now let's go to the voice. The language here is English, so that's default, that's nice. Now we're going to pick a voice. So we can click on this voice, Eric, and here we can just add a number from, for example, ElevenLabs, and every voice has its own number. I can go to My Voices. I have here download Peter sometimes, but also I can click on this button. So here we can have some settings, and also for ElevenLabs, but for now I leave this blank, and I can click here on additional voice. Add a character voice. So select a voice, and now I want to explore because I want to remove this one so I can see all other voices. And now I can just pick one. So what kind of voice do I want? If I want a woman, oh, let's try this one.
Now don't stress, humbug. Everything's gonna work out just fine. Mama's sure of it.
Well,
you're too blessed to stress.
Well, normal American voice. Jason.
The sea's waves are cradles for the dreaming mind.
Well, okay, let's go with Miss Walker.
Now don't stress, humbug. Everything's gonna work out just fine. Mama's sure of it. You're too blessed to stress.
Okay.
Now don't stress, humbug.
What I should do now is copy voice ID. And then I go to my voices and just oh, okay, my mistake. I just have to click on it. Simple as that. Okay. Now we have picked a voice. Now we have to look at the language. I want to make sure this is on English. So I click this one. Same as agent. Yeah. You can have conversational. As a model, you can have flash or multilingual. If you use more language than only English, then I would suggest multilingual. Well, here we have all kinds of examples, what you can put into the description when the agent should use this exact voice. Some things about stability, speed and similarity, but most of the times I just leave this as is. And now we have picked a voice. Well, okay, it's not saved. Miss Walker. Why didn't it save? Oh, now here it is. Okay, don't know what it is wrong, but okay, here is the voice, and now we can publish this voice agent. Oh yeah, first of all, I want to show this. So here we can go to preview and we can call the voice agent. So let's do that.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hello, with Ronald. I want to see some houses. Can I do that?
Absolutely, Ronald. I'd be happy to help you find some houses to see. To get started, could you tell me a little bit about what you're looking for? For example, what area are you interested in, and what's your ideal price range?
Well, a price range would be between 100 and 200,000 dollars, and I want to have a house on the beach if that's possible within that range.
That's a great starting point, Ronald. A price range of $100,000 to $200,000 is helpful. Regarding a house directly on the beach, that can be a bit challenging within that specific price range, as beachfront properties often come at a premium. However, there might be options for homes very close to the beach or with beach access, depending on the location. Could you tell me which specific beach or coastal area you have in mind? Knowing that will help me narrow down the possibilities.
Well, Miami Beach would be nice.
Miami
Do you
Beach
hear
is a
me?
beautiful
Yeah.
area.
Yeah. Sorry.
No worries at all, Ronald. Miami Beach is a fantastic choice, known for its beautiful coastline. However, finding a house directly on Miami Beach within the $100,000 to $200,000 range would be extremely difficult, as properties there typically start at a much higher price point.
Okay.
Would you be open to looking at areas near Miami Beach, perhaps a short drive away,
Well,
or considering other types of
never
properties like a
mind.
condo with beach
I have to
access,
go.
which might be more?
I have to go. Thank you very much. Bye.
You're very welcome, Ronald. If you have any more questions or decide to explore other options, please don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great day.
I will. Bye. Well, this is already an example of a voice agent. You see that it's sometimes a bit slow, but yeah, when you really put a voice agent into production, you have to tweak a lot of things to get it really perfect. Yeah, so in this case it is. So what I would like to show you is a knowledge base. So what we can do is we can here add a knowledge base. So we can add a document like create text, for example. Possible. No, let's name it houses. Text contents. Okay. Let's ask Grok. Please give me a knowledge document with 10 addresses somewhere near Miami Beach, and of every house. Please give me full details of what's in the house, what kinds of rooms they have, garage maybe, etc. for a real estate broker. So now here is the result. I have now a knowledge base. So let's copy everything I need. And just before I copied everything, so that was a bit too much. So I just copy this. I go to ElevenLabs, paste the text here, and create text. Okay. What I now have to do is I now have the knowledge base here, houses. I now can ask. What's the best way in the prompt you gave me before to add this knowledge base so ElevenLabs knows when to call the tool box for the knowledge base? So it says best way is to integrate it in your previous prompt. Wow, okay, well that's not what I want. Update the prompt integration. Well, now it is actually putting all the houses in the prompt or not. Let me check what it does. Knowledge base. You have access to. Oh, at this. Yeah, okay. Knowledge base critical instructions. When to use the knowledge base. Yeah, this is perfect. I was afraid that it wants to add all the houses in the prompt, but that's not what's best practice. So what we can do is we can just copy this text. Oh, here it says insert full knowledge base here. Well, that's not what we want. So let's go to ElevenLabs. And we go to the prompt. So let's go to the agents. And I just put this in here. So you have access to detailed knowledge base called houses. When to use a knowledge base toolbox, always prioritize knowledge for any property. Yeah, okay, this is nice. Okay, updates now. Oh yeah, something else. Hello, how can I help you today? You can also say something like, hello, you're speaking with real estate broker Ronald, for example. Okay, well now we have added this, so I can ask questions about the knowledge base. So when we see the knowledge base, we have something about, now let's do this one, Indian Creek Drive. I want to see what it knows about Indian Creek Drive. It's a luxury villa, price range 6.5 million, etc. So let's ask about the price and the rooms. So let's try this out, preview.
Hello, you're speaking with real estate broker Ronald.
Hello, I want to know if you have something available around Indian Creek Drive.
Absolutely, I can help with that. There's a luxury villa available on Indian Creek Drive. It's a spacious 5,100 square feet property with 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms, priced around $6.5 million. It features an open plan great room, a cinema room, a wine cellar, and an infinity pool. It's located in an exclusive area with celebrity appeal. Would you like more details or to explore other options?
No, that's great. Unless you have more details about some highlights for the property.
Of course, some key highlights for the luxury villa on Indian Creek Drive include its exclusive location, which is known for its celebrity appeal. The property itself boasts a grand open plan great room, a dedicated cinema room for entertainment, and even a wine cellar. The primary suite features a dressing room and a luxurious bath oasis, and there's also a separate guest cottage. Outside, you'll find an infinity pool, perfect for enjoying the beautiful Miami weather. Does that give you a better picture?
Yes, that's very nice. Well, can I make an appointment for tomorrow to see it?
That sounds like a great next step. To schedule a viewing, I'll need to coordinate with the seller and ensure the property is available. Could you please confirm what time works best for you tomorrow?
Tomorrow at 10 o'clock.
Great. I'll work on arranging a viewing for you at 10 o'clock tomorrow. I'll confirm the appointment as soon as possible. Is there anything else you'd like to know or prepare before the visit?
No, that's all. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. I'll be in touch shortly to confirm everything. Have a wonderful day.
Yeah, you too. Thank you. Bye.
Bye for now.
So that was a nice voice agent. I want to thank you for watching this video. If you want my help setting up a video, a voice agent like this, let me know. There's a link in the description where you can find my website, and you can find a link to book a 30-minute free call with me. So please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my video. Thanks. Bye.